You can expect a lot from the 2005 Toyota Sienna. This 7-passenger van provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.3-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, power front seats, a power liftgate, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, rear-mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.